Ito na yung fish curry. 5 pieces lang. Tig-isa kami. Bangus ito na isda. Milk fish. I make now paksiw head fish. So I will saute first these onions and then garlics and ginger. I put also 1 tuber of radish. That one I get there down covered by snow. Bali, 3 yung kinuha ko, 2 yung natira. So ito yung ihap. Masarap ito halo sa paksiw. Sana kung may talong din o kaya okra. Masarap pero lang radish tuber at saka konting cabbage ang aking ihalo sa paksiw. So radish is already cooked. So I will put now also this lemon. 2 lemon. I remove juice. Now I will put now this half fry head fish for milk fish and yung yung buntot bayan. Oh. So ilagay ko na ito lahat. Ayan. Oh. And then last ko nang ilagay itong cabbage. And then yung soy sauce at saka vinegar. Ayan. Now we can put now also this cabbage. Ayan. Oh. And then little vinegar because I already put juice of lemon. Konting vinegar. Ayan, ubos na din. Oh. Dapat bibili ulit. And then soy sauce. Ayan. Then cover natin ulit. Ayan. Already cooked my milk fish head paksiw with radish tubers and cabbage. And also this is fish curry. Also this is milk fish or bangus. Ito na lang yung natira na paksiw kasi kami ni Lakay ang kumain. Meron pa 2 ulo yata ito at saka mga radish tubers na slices. Tapos nagsaing din ako ng kanin. So done our dinner. Ako lang kumain ng rice with paksiw. Tapos sila yung fish curry with chapati. Ayan, ubos na yung fish curry. Oh. Ubos na. Pati yung chapati na ginawa ko, ubos na din. So meron pa ako pang ulam ng ng tomorrow ng lunch. Kami ni Lakay. At saka itong kanin marami din. Oh. So ngayon bukas magluluto ako ng ng peas with yung ba yun? Mother at saka potatoes, carrots. Pero sa akin ito sapat na to sa akin bukas hanggang tanghali at saka dinner. Ayan. Masarap ito pag pinainit mo tapos itong kanin ipapainit mo din.